There we go. Pour bread back. Dude, I can't control 2 cameras at once. It's too much to ask.
Don't ever do this. You want some Dover?
Did you eat the entire thing? Is it all gone? Damn. In the words of Christian, that was badass.
I think it's better, and then it comes back.
Do you feel any better than first second?
Mm-mm.
Not getting used to the pain? More milk?
I'll throw up if I drink anymore. I feel sick.
That sucks so much. Maybe swish it around your mouth
I have.
and just spit it out into the sink or something. Do you want to do that? Or you could spit it into the bucket. Honestly, it doesn't matter. I can wash that. It's no big deal. Just swish it around in your mouth, like if you have to, if you can't drink anymore, and like crap. Because, I mean, maybe we should have like fattier milk. Oh, do you want ice cream? That would help. Ice cream, dude, ice cream, yeah. Yeah. Ice cream. That wasn't throw up for those people out there. That was just him swishing around milk. It's frozen. Is that helping? Just tell me when you need me to get you another ice cream. Oh, if I made my phone fall, or you either made my phone fall down or I made my phone fall down. No telling how long it's been down now. So I'm going to start a new video.